We got our groceries and now we are heading up towards the Grayson Highlands area. We're going to check out the place where we want to do the trail magic, make sure it's going to work. Man, this is a pretty drive. Wish I could share it with you, but I caught a lot of bugs on the way up here. My windshield. Nothing but bugs.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Alright, this is the little pull off. The hikers will go straight across here and the trail goes off over there. So this is where we're going to try to do the trail magic. Yeah, I think this will work. Definitely no place to put a canopy up, but hopefully it'll be decent enough weather we won't need to. So, aces. What do you think, Vic?
I love it. It's very pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous here?
Look at this gorgeous spot.
Yeah, I think we can make it work.
So,
Yeah. Oh, there's a white blaze over there, a couple of them. Alright, so I think next stop is a place to camp for the night. I think I better get out the map. I don't think we have reception. Alright, so we landed here at Grayson Highlands State Park. We're in the Chestnut Campground. It's the only thing that's open this time of year. It's supposed to be a horse camp, but anybody can use it. It's $23 a night for out of state. It's got electric, water, picnic table, and a fire ring. Weird rule, you can't have a campfire till after 4 p.m. So it's 4:12 and Vicky's going to build a fire. But we're the only ones here tonight. If it was full, this would be a drag. But it's not, so we're pretty darn happy. Bru's enjoying himself. We're just making some steaks on the grill. Oh yeah. It is ready. Yum.
yum.
Corn on the cob.
Cheers.
That'll do. Uh-huh. Well, Vicky's feeling rompery. Imagine that.
Pretty cool looking.
Yeah. Playing King in the Mountain?
Not a very big branch I'm hanging on to.
No.